This short informational video is intended for local governing or stakeholder audiences involved in budgetary, operational, and public safety decisions related to the public drinking water system. Standards established by the U.S. EPA Safe Drinking Water Act of 1974 require water purveyors protect the water quality and meet minimum standards. When water leaves the treatment plant, it is safe to drink and meets safe drinking water standards. Once it is distributed through pressurized underground service pipes, the challenge becomes maintaining safe drinking water to each inflowing tap. Water customers have many uses for the water service to their premises. Lawn irrigation, swimming pools, and hose bibs are a few residential examples, while car washes, restaurants, hospitals, and funeral homes are a few commercial examples. If there are changes or fluctuations in the pressure of the system, the water in the pipes can begin to flow in the opposite direction. This inherent hydraulic problem in public water systems is known as backflow. In the event of backflow, plumbing connections to the public drinking water system, such as underground sprinklers, garden hose spigots, or boiler systems, can become channels for pollutants and contaminants to enter the system or the internal drinking water piping of a building. These potential hazards are known as cross-connections. While regulatory and plumbing codes prohibit cross-connections and require specific backflow prevention installations, the reality is that aging infrastructure, unpermitted plumbing, and human error means that the plumbing of drinking water systems is not always installed properly or kept up to code. To maintain safe drinking water in our community, the water supplier must ensure that cross-connections are controlled and that proper backflow prevention is in place to shield our citizens, friends, and families from unsafe, contaminated drinking water. Implementing a local cross-connection control program, also known as a CCC program, not only protects the water. The American Water Works Association, or AWWA, recommends that public water systems develop a comprehensive program to address this safety issue. There are various options to be considered when developing a CCC program. The first step is to develop a comprehensive cross-connection control plan. This plan should be developed by your utility staff and an experienced and certified backflow prevention specialist. The CCC plan will outline how your CCC program will be managed, who is responsible, the costs, and the annual steps that will be taken to manage the safety of your drinking water. Your community's ordinance or bylaws may also need to be updated to enforce this new program. Local stakeholders should consider taking action on this health and safety issue of their drinking water supply. By implementing a cross-connection control program in your community, you are maintaining the safety of the drinking water by assuring that potential hazards can be stopped from entering the public drinking water system. You are also preserving the trust and confidence of your water customers for years to come.